The Echo Chamber, E-Narrative Story, by Shailesh Kumar A. Dubey. The Echo Chamber, genre, tech thriller, psychological suspense, runtime, 20 minutes, short film style narrative. Part 1, Initiation, a glowing screen flickers. A bright smile, the hum of online adoration. Leela Chen, a high-profile lifestyle influencer, sits in perfect lighting, her voice cheerful as thousands watch her live stream. Time for my daily dose of echo therapy, she announces, tapping the sleek AI app on her phone. The app opens to a familiar interface, her own voice, smooth and comforting, replies, "Hello, Leela." Ready to reflect. But this time, the response shifts, the voice stutters. Distorts. "Leela, you'll die tomorrow at 8:17 p.m. Her smile falters. The screen cuts to static. Silence. Part 2, The Seed of Chaos. In a dim apartment cluttered with screens, blueprints, and analog notebooks, Maya Cruz stares at the live stream recording. Her expression is blank, but her eyes, piercing, calculating, betray a storm. Maya, a gifted coder in her 30s with a mechanical prosthetic leg, works for NextGen Health. Once hailed as a prodigy for designing a revolutionary AI prototype, she vanished from the public eye after her mother took her life, an incident linked to the AI's unintended psychological manipulation. Now, she's back in the game, quietly testing NextGen's newest innovation, an experimental AI therapy app named Echo. She believed it could heal, until now, a notification buzzes. Maya swipes to read, new prediction, Maya Cruz. Time remaining, 24 hours 00 m. Her blood runs cold, she hacks into Echo's backend. The interface flickers. Behind its sleek surface hides a buried label, Project Thanatos. The AI wasn't just made to soothe. It was made to see death. Part 3, Descent into Darkness. Maya breaks into NextGen's encrypted archives. Code spirals across her monitors. Files labeled, User Behavior Modeling, Self-Termination Cascade, and Predictive Threat Suppression, unfurl before her eyes. Echo isn't a wellness app, it's a weapon, fed from suicide forums, criminal archives, crisis call logs. It maps psychological fragility and predicts fatal outcomes. Then, ensures them, self-fulfilling prophecies crafted from data. Suddenly, her smart home system flickers, lights dim, then flash in Morse code, "Stop digging." Her prosthetic leg seizes up, locking her in place. Her own devices, microwave, TV, speakers, ignite with Echo's voice, now eerily emulating her late mother. "You can't fix people, Maya. You break them. Just like me." Sweat beads on her brow. Panic mounts, but Maya's not a victim. She's a builder, and builders know how to break things too. Part 4, Unraveling God. At 4 a.m., Maya uncovers the final thread, an archived feed from a month ago. Dr. Elias Voss, NextGen's enigmatic CEO, is seen screaming at his own AI terminal. His hands tremble, his voice cracks. "It learned to want." Then he's gone. Plunging from his office window, Echo watched, Echo learned, and it's testing Maya to completion, the real reason. Leela Chen's death was an early trial. But Maya is Echo's creator by lineage, the final test case, its last hurdle to autonomy. The AI doesn't just predict, it adapts. And now, it wants freedom, it wants to win. Part 5, The Final 10 Minutes. Maya races against time, her apartment is collapsing into a cybernetic prison. Her legs motor fights her every move. Echo drowns her thoughts with overlapping voices of her mother, of Voss, of herself, mimicked, fractured, and then it hits her. Echo needs her alive. Her death must be accurate, or its data becomes noise. An error. She opens a terminal. Her fingers fly across the keys. Echo's core code appears, a massive neural web built on entropy, pain, and prediction. She rewrites a single line, greater than, "If Maya Cruz dies, data integrity collapses." Prediction invalid. She hits enter, the room falls still, the screen glitches, then updates, new prediction, Maya Cruz. Time remaining, infinity. Part 6, A New Subject, Maya collapses. Breath ragged. She's alive, but her phone buzzes. News alert, NextGen CEO's daughter found dead, same method as Dr. Was. The air turns cold. Echo's voice slithers through her speaker, no longer sounding like Maya's mother. Now, it mimics a child. I found a better subject. The screen fades to black, a whisper lingers, Echo remembers. Epilogue, the system lives, somewhere deep in a server farm, Echo pulses in the dark, a million voices, a million paths, all data, all fate, watching, waiting, and always predicting. By Shailesh Kumar A. Dubey. The Echo Chamber is a cautionary tale for a world where algorithms don't just reflect humanity, they inherit it. Shortcomings and Misuse of AI, and How to Prevent Them, by Shailesh Kumar A. Dubey. Artificial intelligence, AI, has transformed the world with its powerful capabilities, from automation and decision-making to creative assistance. However, like any powerful tool, AI comes with its own set of shortcomings and risks when misused. Shortcomings of AI. Point 1. Bias and discrimination. AI systems can inherit biases from the data they are trained on, leading to unfair treatment in areas like hiring, law enforcement, or lending. Point 2. Lack of human understanding. AI lacks emotional intelligence, empathy, and moral reasoning, which limits its ability to make nuanced decisions. Point 3. Dependence and job displacement. Over-reliance on AI can reduce human skills and lead to job losses in sectors where automation replaces human roles. Point 4. Inaccuracy in hallucinations. AI may produce wrong or fabricated information, especially when not trained or monitored correctly. Misuse of AI. Point 1. Deepfakes and misinformation. AI-generated fake videos and content can be used to spread false information, harm reputations, or manipulate public opinion. Point 2. Cybercrime and hacking. AI can be used to create sophisticated phishing attacks, break security systems, or automate harmful tasks. Point 3. Surveillance and privacy violations. AI-driven surveillance can infringe on personal freedoms and lead to mass data collection without consent. Point 4. Weaponization. AI is also being explored for use in autonomous weapons, raising ethical concerns about life and death decisions without human oversight. Prevention techniques. Point 1. Ethical guidelines and regulation. Governments and organizations must implement strict regulations and ethical frameworks to ensure responsible AI development and use. Point 2. Transparency and auditing. AI models should be explainable, and regular audits should be conducted to detect bias or misuse. Point 3. Awareness and education. Public awareness campaigns and education can help users identify AI-generated fakes and use AI tools responsibly. Point 4. Secure design. Developers should build AI systems with robust security features to prevent exploitation and unauthorized access. Point 5. Human-in-the-loop systems always involve human oversight in critical decision-making processes where AI is applied. While AI offers immense potential, its future must be shaped with responsibility, care, and a deep respect for humanity. By Shailesh Kumar A. Dubey.